Hello Physics Nation, my name is Nate Larmond. I'd like to do a Khan Academy problem from the set called Calculating Wave Speed, Frequency, and Wavelength. So the equation is velocity equals frequency multiplied by wavelength. Why do they use lambda for wavelength? I have no idea, but you just take the hertz, that is the cycles per second, multiplied by, crest to crest distance. That is how far the wave moves in one cycle, and that's the velocity of the wave, except, Khan is a math website, so they want to make sure you can do some algebraic manipulations. And this algebra is pretty simple. I like to do algebra before you put in the numbers. It's called full generality. It's more powerful. It reveals the functional relationship. So what are we looking for here? We're looking for wavelength. So that means we're trying to isolate lambda. You undo multiplication with division. So we're going to divide both sides by frequency. And there we go. That is the speed of the wave divided by its frequency equals its wavelength. Let's throw in the numbers. So they say the frequency is 0.5. That is the bottom of this fraction is a half. And they're saying the wave speed is 2. Okay, dividing by a half is the same thing as multiplying by 2. Here, I'll write that out just in case you don't believe me. Here, let's divide 2 by 2. The way I like to explain this to students is, well, let's multiply by 1. Let's actually multiply by 2 over 2. That's legal, right? You can multiply by 1. That doesn't change anything. Well, check it out. In the bottom, it's 2 multiplied by a half, which is 1. Okay, so this cancels out in the denominator. 2 multiplied by a half is 1, but in the top, it equals 4, and that is the answer. So like I said, 2 divided by a half is really 4. It's the same thing as 2 multiplied by 2, and this is the technique I like. I tell the kids you can multiply by 1. That doesn't change anything. Okay, so 4 meters is this wavelength. Oh, if you like dimensional analysis, like I like dimensional analysis, you can put meters per second at the top. And then frequency is inverse seconds, so we're going to divide by 1 over seconds. And we're going to multiply by seconds over seconds, and it's going to cancel on the top and the bottom. So we're just left with meters. That is the wavelength. Let's get this confetti. 4 meters is the wavelength. I don't know if that's reasonable or not. They don't say if it's an ocean wave or what. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.